This video walks you through how to see dividends received each month on eToro. Begin by opening your eToro account and going to the Settings area. Inside Settings, select Account. This takes you to the section where account-related documents and details are available. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the full account screen appears before moving on. Once you are in the Account section, look for Documents. In that area, find Account Statement, then click View beside it. This opens the Statement tool, which is where you can generate a record for a specific period. If you see more than one document option, make sure you choose Account Statement so the results match the dividend activity for the period you want to review. After the statement window opens, choose the month you want to check. You can select this month if you want to review the current month, or set a custom monthly date range if you need a different month. When using a custom range, make sure the start and end dates cover the exact month you want to review. This helps keep the statement focused on the dividend payments from that period only. With the date range selected, click Create. eToro will begin generating the statement based on the month you chose. Depending on the account and date range, this may take a brief moment. Once the statement is ready, open it so you can review the details included in that report. At the top of the statement, look for the Dividends tab and click it. This section separates dividend activity from other account transactions, which makes it easier to focus only on the payments connected to your holdings. If you are reviewing a statement with several types of activity, staying in the Dividends tab will help you avoid mixing those entries with deposits, withdrawals, or trading results. Now review the dividend payments listed for the selected month. You will be able to see the payments that were received during that date range as they appear in the statement. Take your time to look through the entries so you can confirm what was paid during that month. If you selected the current month and do not see an expected payment, check that the statement period includes the date it was credited. By following this process, you can return to any monthly period and check dividend activity directly from your account statement whenever needed. You have now opened your eToro account statement and viewed the dividend payments received for the selected month.